Today's a special day. This is going to be a quick video and probably the last video that I do with this phone here. This is, what kind of phone is this?
iPhone 11. Oh,
No, it's 8
that's
Plus.
that phone.
Okay, so this here that I've been using is the 8 Plus. It's been a good workhorse. It's done well for me. But
then
it's
this
going to have to go down to one of my daughters. And today we're going to unbox, what the hell, what phone did I get? I don't even know.
iPhone 11 Pro Max.
All right, my kids know more. They know everything about the phones. All
Can I
right.
give him cookie?
Sure.
And Oreo
So-
birthday.
Yes, exactly. All right, so today, a special day. Today is, hold on. Man, so many distractions here in this house.
Mommy. Hey.
Look at this, man.
Hello?
Tell Mom she's ruining a video, please.
You're ruining a video.
Oh, we'll see her later.
Ruining a video, but goodbye.
You sneeze on me, puppy.
All right, so back to this special day today. Today is Oreo's birthday. Today is a very special day, and today is what? Look in the calendar, Chloe. Let everybody know what day today is.
October 3rd.
Exactly. Today is October 3rd, and it's Oreo's birthday, kid. All right? I wish I had his paperwork here. It would explain exactly what mix he is. Don't give anything to him yet. All right? We're all going to give him a gift. Once my wife gets home, we're going to have a special cake for him. But I just want to get this video out the way. We want to unbox this, and then I'm going to show everyone what I'm up to with my strength training over there at Atlas Strength with Big Patrick. I've improved big time, and I'm proud of it. I've been doing 4 or 5 again, but for 3 reps. Much cleaner, much cleaner. I'll show you that in a bit. So, go ahead, Isabella. You got homework to do, so. Good job,
boy.
good job.
Good boy.
Yeah, Oreo is definitely
Yeah.
part of the family. He's been through a lot, this guy. This guy's been through so many builds, it's not even funny. We've been through 4.0 buggy and trucky builds. Not just mine, but friends of mine. Afnas, all types of stuff. A Techno, I had Mark's Techno here. Oh man, forget it. We've done many builds.
He's
Forget
35
fit scales.
in dog years.
He's 35 in dog years?
Yeah,
Oh,
and he's 5 in dog years. In regular years.
wow, yeah. You get meals already, Babs?
Yeah.
Alright, so
He's almost older than you.
we're not gonna bust the axe today. Yeah, he's almost
Damn.
we're gonna use
I'm taking
Leah, put Oreo down. Put Oreo down.
Bye-bye,
We're gonna
puppy.
unbox this here together. This is gonna be the new tool, the new Botajell tool. Supposedly this is the Mac Daddy. This is this is the top of the line iPhone that's out. I'm not gonna know what to do with this crap.
It is.
I got my friend that's a professional at this stuff, Gary, all right, from Foundry RC, that's gonna be coming over this weekend helping me out with this. It took my wife 4 hours to dial in her phone. This phone is actually better than my wife's.
No, it's not. Same thing.
No, this one has the most memory.
No, it shows so small. 250.
What? Mom, these freaking phones are expensive, man.
It literally says a home. And Kevin's shoe can help you.
Oh, yeah. So, my mom,
256 gigabytes.
so my wife,
Mom.
this is my wife's phone. Man, I gotta talk to her, man. She don't need that. I need this, because I'm a guy that does not use computer whatsoever. So I need the best phone possible. Most memory, everything. So, yeah, this 8 Plus did very well. Probably, I should have just kept it and continue to use it. It's probably a waste of money, but anyways, we got ourselves a special Portuguese knife, a dinner knife, but it came from Portugal. All right, wrapped in some jeans. And go ahead, babe. Be careful with this. Let's unbox this iPhone. What iPhone is this again?
iPhone 11.
iPhone 11 Max.
Pro Max.
Pro Max.
Yeah,
There's a Max.
It's like
Whoa.
it's like the iPhone
Oh, right.
X, but what?
Oh, very cool. Very cool. Bust it out.
Oh wait, I need a.
Go this way. Push out. Always away from you.
You don't have the home button.
Good stuff.
You're not gonna know how.
Now,
to use it.
I'm not gonna know how to use this. I'm a guy that likes the iPhones with the button in the bottom.
Ew.
So this is all new to me. You know, so Gary told me, yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get used to, but once I'm used to it, it's way better. So I trust
camera's
Gary
really
with this.
good.
Oh, the camera's really good? Yeah?
Camera's really good.
Okay.
Dad, look. There's 3 cameras.
Oh
on
damn!
it.
Look at that.
And look at
Well,
yours.
let's take it out. Let's take it out.
Okay.
Very cool. So my wife wound up going to
Oh,
Apple.
there's 512 in this one.
Any questions, kid? So
oh
I
my!
told you
I didn't even know
have the
that was a
most.
thing.
All right, so this is 512 gigabytes.
Damn.
Yeah, this is the Mac Daddy iPhone, kid. Supposed to. That's what I asked for. This is no joke right here. I could have bought a freaking sick engine with this, but I had to invest in a quality phone. Again, I think this A Plus that I'm using right now probably would have been good enough. But this has the special cameras. This has everything, and
Okay, ready?
I don't use a computer. I need the best phone possible. All right, otherwise I can't continue with this YouTube crap. Oh, beautiful! Wow.
Whoa, that's so
Danica,
cool.
It's like
Keep
mom.
it down the floor.
Very nice.
So you know how your phone's all glass? This one isn't all glass anymore.
I don't have all glass.
Yeah, yes, you do.
Yeah.
You have all glass.
I use an outer box on
Ooh,
mine.
it feels good.
Show me, where's the outer box?
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, so unfortunately, I don't care what my phone looks like. I don't care.
You have
Whatever.
earbuds. You should have got mom's
I don't
one
care if
because
my
it's
phone was
gold.
pink. I just need a phone that works for me.
Let me turn it on.
You have earbuds and a charger.
We have a.
They give you earbuds and a charger.
I just don't like how. All right, very cool. Very cool. Wow, there's a big charger.
Yeah,
that's
Dad.
the one.
Oh, and
a-
supposedly this
You
phone.
use a different charger too.
What?
No,
Man,
it works.
I hate
The
when they
other
do
ones
that to
work
you.
too. The other
Okay,
ones work
okay.
This
too.
one's not the.
No, very cool. Very cool. No, so supposedly this has the longest battery life ever out of all the iPhones, and that's priority number one. That's my priority number one problem I have. You know, I hate carrying a brick with me. I hate all that. But yeah. So good
the
stuff.
OtterBox is gonna be
Very nice phone. It feels. All right, turn it off. I hate the button over here because when you let somebody
This button's
borrow your
huge,
phone.
look.
When somebody, when I sometimes I pass my phone around and they're filming over there, drag racing or bashing or whatever, everyone, when they grab the phone sideways, they accidentally touch that power button on here and it shuts it off. But anyways, yeah. So I had to invest in a good quality phone. This is the Mac Daddy. Can't get any better as of now. I mean, it's got some sick ass cameras. I'll have my friend, my good brat brother Gary, help me out with this. I do not know nothing about this, and that's it. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna be putting a big, humongous outer box here.
What?
Hopefully, it'll protect my investment here. And that's it. So I'll try to do the best that I can with videos for you guys. You know that. So later we're gonna have a nice get together, special day, Oreo's birthday, and that's it. You know, I wish I had his paperwork here. I would show you his whole bloodline. He's a French bulldog, but the grandfather was a Boston Terrier. So that's how we get that Oreo looking color and his ears or like Dorito ears, but standing up, you know. So yeah, he's just chilling. He's been through many builds. He's been through a lot, and we give him the best house possible. The best. We let him do whatever he wants here.
He ripped out the couch.
He even ripped the couch. My wife now wants a new couch, but
Here, Dad.
yeah, unfortunately, my parents. If I had a dog at my house, my parents' house years ago, if it did this, forget it, man. The dog and me would leave the house. But Oreo can do whatever he wants here, kid. Look at him, because that's how Oreo is, and that's the life we give him. You know, we try to give him everything and anything he wants, right, babe? All right, guys. Until next time, enjoy the video if you want. End the video here. If you want to see my progress at my strength levels, take a look at this. Also, check out my friend Patrick's Instagram, okay? I'll put his Instagram link under my description. Check him out. Now, my friend Patrick is super smart with fitness and whatever your goals are. If you have any questions, you must ask him. He's a super cool guy. He's super smart, man. He knows a lot of stuff. How many memories is this?
This one.
So my wife got this
It's
one.
still a lot.
256 gigabytes.
Still a lot.
It's probably would have been good enough for me. I don't know why I had this one 512, kid.
This one's a
Botajell.
golden one.
It's a golden one. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting rid of a lot of videos that I have held up in my phone. So be tuned. Be ready for that. I got some old videos I'm probably gonna throw out, and there's gonna be a lot of videos that I have that I'm probably gonna erase. It's gonna be gone, lost. I even have old videos, Mancha GT 8.0, some stuff that I did to it. I don't know if I'll show that or not. It may be gone for good. We'll see. I got some videos coming up with my cousin Nitro Anthony's Afna. So stay tuned. Here we go again. I'm gonna try to pull the 405 for a second time, but cleaner. Patrick said my first 405 is not good enough for the Instagram, so. I gotta do better at this 405. But it was only what, 3 days ago, Pat? 3 or 4 days ago?
Yeah, 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, 3 or 4 days ago. So let's see what happens.
Hell yeah.
What? What? Mr. T ain't got shit on me, kid. I should have my belt today. Let's see. What we got here? Let's get a close-up of this here, man. It's serious, bro. I never did this shit before. I never did this.
You're looking at about 550 or so.
Fucking chains here are fucking heavy, bro. Almost endoed. I thought that was it. Shit, wow. The wobble's hard, bro.
Yep.
Fucking chains too.
You're next.
One of the chains whipped me in my nose. Holy shit.